Today I'm going to do a video on how to keep your Christmas tree fresh using only sugar. Okay, the first thing we have to do is we have to take off about an inch, half an inch to an inch of this trunk. So what happens is the sap seals the bottom, so what we have to do is we have to open it up, open up the pores. So let's go ahead and cut off about it. When the tree is first cut, the sap will naturally seal the trunk to try to retain its water. Now you can use any type of watering bowl. I'm using an Allen type. Okay. There's our tree right there. Let's get some water in there. Okay, what we need to put in there is warm water. Warm water is better because we're trying to break up the sap, so just get some warm water. And fill the bowl up. That. We cut an inch off the bottom. We put warm water in there, and then we're going to add some preservative. A teaspoon of sugar works just as well, because all we're trying to do is break up the sap, open up the pores in there. So let's go ahead and put a teaspoon of sugar in there. Okay, we just put a teaspoon of sugar in there.
You can also use 7-Up, which 7-Up has sugar in it.
Teaspoon of sugar. Warm water. Never let the water go dry on it, because if it ever goes dry, the tree's going to seal up again, and then it's going to be hard. So just keep warm water in it. Check it every day. Oh, there it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to keep your Christmas tree fresh throughout the year.